Welcome. In this lesson, we are going to explore congruency and similarity. These are two very important geometric ideas. They are related, but they are not the same, so we want to build a really clear understanding of each one. Let's begin with congruence. Two shapes that are the same size and the same shape are called congruent. That is the big idea. If two shapes are congruent, then one can be matched exactly to the other. A very concrete way to think about this is with paper cutouts. If the shapes are made of paper, we can slide one shape over the other and rotate it to see if they match. If they still do not seem to match, we can try to flip one over and try again. If after sliding, rotating, and flipping, the two shapes match exactly, then the shapes are congruent. This is a very helpful way to introduce congruence, especially for younger students, because it connects geometry to motion and physical experience. It also connects back to transformations. Sliding, rotating, and flipping are all rigid motions. Since rigid motions preserve size and shape, they are exactly the kinds of moves we use to test congruence. As future teachers, this is a great place to slow down and emphasize the meaning. Students sometimes think congruent means sort of alike or close enough. But congruent is more precise than that. It means the figures match exactly in both size and shape. A good question to ask students is, could I place one exactly on top of the other? If the answer is yes, the shapes are congruent. If not, then they are not congruent. In the next videos, we will look at ways to tell whether triangles are congruent without physically moving paper shapes around. That is where triangle congruence criteria come in. You're building an important geometry foundation here, and that is worth feeling good about. These ideas become much easier when you keep returning to the meaning.